How to Play Baccarat, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. Welcome to Casino Masterclass. Today we're diving into one of the most elegant and simple casino games, Baccarat. Whether you've seen it in James Bond movies or stumbled upon it in a casino, this video will teach you how to play and win at Baccarat. Let's get started. Baccarat is a card game where you have 3 betting options: player, banker, or tie. Your goal? Bet on the hand you think will have a total closest to 9. It's that simple. Let's talk about card values. Cards 2 through 9 are worth their face value. Aces are worth 1. 10s and face cards, Jack, Queen, and King, are worth 0. If a hand's total exceeds 9, we drop the first digit. For example, if you have a 7 and a 6, the total is 13, but in Baccarat, it's scored as 3. Placing your bets. Before the cards are dealt, place your bet. Player bet pays 1-1. Banker bet pays 1-1, but a 5% commission is usually taken. Tie bet pays 8-1 or 9-1, depending on the casino, but it's a risky bet. Gameplay flow. Now let's see how the game flows. Both the player and banker are dealt 2 cards each. If either has a total of 8 or 9, it's called a natural, and no more cards are drawn. If needed, a third card can be drawn based on specific rules. The player hand goes first, and then the banker. Third card rules. This part can seem confusing, but don't worry. The player draws a third card if the total is 5 or less. The banker's decision depends on whether the player took a third card and what it was. But here's the good news. You don't have to memorize this. The dealer takes care of it all. Winning and payouts. If your bet was on the hand that comes closest to 9, you win. A winning player bet pays even money. A winning banker bet also pays even money, but with a small commission. A winning tie bet pays out at higher odds, but the chances are slim. Baccarat is largely a game of chance, but here are a few quick tips. Bet on the banker. Statistically, the banker has a slight edge, even with the commission. Avoid the tie bet. The high payout is tempting, but the house edge is significantly higher. Money management. Set a budget before you play and stick to it. Don't chase losses. And that's all there is to it. Baccarat is one of the easiest casino games to learn, but also one of the most thrilling. With just a bit of strategy and a dash of luck, you could be walking away a winner. Thanks for joining us on Casino Masterclass. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more casino tips and tricks. Have fun and play responsibly.